Welcome to my videos. So guys, the snowfall season is on, and every day, almost every day, not every day, whenever there's snowfall, we have to clean it as a homeowner here in Canada. So certain rules you should be aware. Of course, there could be slight modification based on the city you are living in, but more or less they are same. Like the very first question arrives, like where you can dump snow after cleaning. So as a homeowner, you are expected to keep snow on your own property, permitted areas, including your front backyard. Okay. You can also do it on the boulevard. You may pile snow on the grass boulevard. This is the strip of city owned land between your property line and the curb. Okay. So you can do it on boulevard. But you have to be careful it does not obstruct the view of motorists or pedestrians. You can pile it up on the edge of your driveway. That is also acceptable, but it should but yeah, there are some limitations that I'll say in second part. You could not dump snow in the areas that is considered illegal. Okay, for example, you cannot dump your snow on roadway or street. Okay, because this will create trouble for travelers, right? And public sidewalks. So as a homeowner, you are responsible for clearing the sidewalk in front of your home, and you cannot dump snow over there because it's going to be a security hazard. If there are fire hydrants, you must have a clear path to any fire hydrant on or near your property. Okay, if you don't do, it's a huge safety violation. Okay, if there are catch basins, that is also called storm drains, don't block these areas with snow. Otherwise it will cause localized flooding because snow will not be able to escape. Okay, you cannot dump snow into water courses. Okay, because of salt and debris involved that may mix up and contaminate. Okay, and one more thing that is important, that's what I told you in the first part. If you live in a semi-detached or townhouse where you may have shared driveway, so don't pile your snow towards your neighbor. A common dispute I see in semi-detached property, even yesterday I saw in one of my neighbors, those who have semi-detached, that one neighbor was fighting with other. Fighting means like verbal argument. Why? Because according to them, other neighbor had piled up snow towards his driveway, and they were saying, "Why did you clean snow like this? Why did you throw all the snow on me? Who's gonna clean? Should I push it back towards you?" And there was like an argument going on. It was not too bad, and luckily the other guy had a snow blower who could easily clean it within like few minutes, because he had an expensive snow blower that I don't have. It's like too much of cost, right? Instead I'm using shovels. I got two of them, but that guy had like snow like blower. Anyway, fine. So that's what I'm saying, guys. Like be careful where you're dumping the snow. Sometimes it may escalate to bad things, because if you dump your snow towards your neighbor and your neighbor retaliates, or there's something going on, anyway, even in the very small extent, it will spoil the relationship with the person living next door, which isn't good. Okay, you should always try to maintain good relationships. I can understand there could be circumstances beyond your control, but at least try to be good. So that's what I wanted to convey in this video, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.